Is that right? Is that right, Harry? Yeah. Billy! Hey, Sky. Come on. Come on, gorgeous. Billy, trust you to find the ditch. And you, Harry. Good boy, Guinness. Good boy. This is normally dry, but with the rain we've had, as you can see, it's quite wet. The Sky is taking her mad 5 minutes. The Sky going off into the snowdrops. Oscar by my side, he's had his running about. Scrumpy, come on! Come on, Billy! Harry, this way! Come on! Good boy, Harry! Good boy, Billy! So easy with the sunshine. Come on, Harry! Good boy! Good boy! This is some lovely smells around here. And there goes Bailey. How long is it going to be before Oscar joins them? Oh, there we go. And oh no, Sky's not going to join in. She's finding other smells of her own, being the independent woman she is. Oscar, this way! Come on! Oh, Oscar! What have you found, Bailey? What'd you find? Come on, Harry! Good. Oh, Oscar, you're filthy! Come on! What's up, Harry? What's up? What's up, Harry? Oh, Oscar! What is it with retrievers? Oscar, come on, out! Is that right, Harry? Is that right? Uh-huh.